Welcome back, guys. The E28 is officially legal to drive on the street. We got our tags, we got our inspection, and we got our insurance and title work. But we are about to jump out there. I'm going to show you what we did and what we're doing today. So, what we are doing today are the thrust bushings in the front. Let me go get those. Hang on. We have rear subframe bushings. We have tape. And then we have front thrust arms. And I think they're both of them. And we have an interior light bulb. I thought I had one other bushing. Oh no, I have a flasher, for the turn signals. But we're gonna put those on and then put those on the rear. So we're gonna do the fronts first since those are fairly easy to get to. So what we're gonna do, jack up the car, take the lug nuts off and get the wheel off. Guys, I was laying out our new arms and trying to see where they all go. And that's the one we're replacing. And where this bolt goes, right there, is underneath the strut. You have to take these three bolts off and drop the strut and everything down along with that arm to get this bolt off. This is gonna be insane. Oh, why BMW? Why? Okay, let's see what we gotta do. So we have that one off, but we're letting that soak so we can get that off. We are gonna jump over here and do the same to this side, which I already soaked. And get all that. And I forgot, we got door handles we got to put on this thing too. I broke the door handle on that side, so I bought 4 door handles. But let's get the front off this thing. So we have our new arms on. There's our old one that you can see is shot, and we got a new arm on. So we are gonna actually clean up the wheel well and really scrub it. So we're gonna get all this out of the way, throw all that out, and then we are going to, I'm gonna blow it first and then we're gonna clean the wheel well. Okay guys, we got first wheel well cleaned up. Looking pretty good. It's gonna need another soak and another scrub. But we're gonna go to the other side, which is, this is kind of what it looked like when we started versus what it was. So let's get this one all cleaned up and gummed up. And I'm using Purple Power. This stuff is actually pretty good. I went through a bunch of different videos on a bunch of different stuff to see what I should use. Purple Power came out as the best one, and so far it's working pretty good to knock everything off. So let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, that's after the first cleaning there. We're gonna scrape it up again, throw some more Purple Power on it, and get some more of that dirt. You can still see some residue dirt on there. But gonna keep going. Once we get this done, then we can put our wheels back on, and then we can jump to the back and do our back suspension parts. So let's keep cleaning. Okay guys, I did some touch up on the wheel well, and as you can see, it looks fantastic. I just wanted to protect everything so I didn't drop any of the cleaner and stuff on here, but as you can see, this wheel well looks fantastic. So we are almost ready to put the wheel back on and get it back down on the ground, and jump to the back of the car. Guys, we're in the rear. We have our trailing arm bushing. There's our old one. Came out pretty easily. There's our new one. So we just need to get that back in, and then we can start cleaning up all this area back here. The rest of these bushings are okay right now because they're solid. The only ones that I would maybe replace are these here. But that is either possibly for the next owner or another day. But we are going to clean up this diff, and we're going to scrub all this, and we're going to scrub the wheel well like we did the other one and get it all cleaned up and looking good. So let's get this back in and jump to the other side. We got sway bar links. I looked at these and I was like, man, those are really, really bad. So we got new ones. Okay, let's get these installed. It's working from home today on the car, and the one thing about backing up this 610 is you hear all the accidents. So just heard that one, big one up there. Fire, police aren't even here yet. But when I used to work out here all the time at night, like middle of the night, I used to see things all the time, like a car hit that pole there and wrapped it around itself. A car's gone through this fence multiple times. A car hit that tree once. Some girls came down and hit that tree there and then flipped over and ended up over here behind our fence. But just one of those things we see all the time. Okay, back to working. Those little suckers were hard to get off. They were on there pretty good, so we need to get our PB Blaster lube and lube those up so we can put the new ones back on. I'm gonna hold off on this side because I gotta pull off the other side. Other thing also, but we'll put this side on and get it back into place so that we can clean up this wheel well. So guys, she is back on the ground. She is all finished up. We have our plates. It's raining right now. We have the battery on the charger. And we have our sticker. So we are actually legal to drive. And once the battery is charged, we get out there and we put it on the seat. And get these door panels on a little bit. But for the most part, we are done with the mechanical side of things. Next video will be interior. So like, comment, subscribe. Keep watching the E28 videos, and we're going to keep going.